Python membership operators. So membership operators, we are going to check with the in and not in. Membership operators are used to test if the sequence or is present in an object. First one, in. Returns true if a sequence with a specified x in a value is present in object. So we write it as x in y. Not in returns true if the sequence with the specified value is not present. If it is not present, we are going to represent it true or false. So now, apple, comma, banana. Print banana in X. Is banana in X list? X list contain apple, banana. Print banana in X. Returns true because sequence with the value banana is in the list. X list contain apple, banana. Okay, so we are going to check whether the banana in the list. So we call it as print brackets banana in X. Return true because a sequence with the value banana is in the list. Next one, print pineapple in X. Is that pineapple there? No. Therefore, output will be false. Print pineapple is not in X. Return true because sequence with the value pineapple is not in list. Print apple not in X. That means false. Okay. So we'll try this one. Before that, you better write the membership operators and we'll start doing that. Okay, so we'll check the membership operator. So X is equal to apple, banana, which is in the list. Then print banana in X. So list X contain the banana, therefore you will get the true. Next one, print pineapple in X. So pineapple is not available in the list, therefore you will get false. Print pineapple not in X, true. It is not in the X, you will get the output true. Print apple not in X, that is false. So apple is in the list, therefore you will get false because it is not in. So when we execute it, you will get true, false, true, false. Okay. Start completing this program. Okay, that's all for today. So complete all the practicals and make the PowerPoint presentation.